Hello, second grade. We're going to get ready for our blending drill. Make sure you say the sounds and blend the words together. L, ah, n, lawn, dr, ah, n, drawn, dr, e, n, dreen, dr, e, m, dream, str, e, m, stream, str, e, m, d, streamed, w, e, k, week, w, e, sh, weesh, w, ow, sh, wowsh, r, ow, sh, roush, r, ow, nd, round, r, I, t, right, sh, or, t, short. That's it for today. Thanks.